hurricane warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Windpoint, Wisconsin until 7:45 a.m. At 5:47 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles southeast of Cedar Grove to 9 nautical miles west of Milwaukee, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Port Washington,